Tinania fam!
Good morning, Tinania family. It's our last day here today, full day, and we're having breakfast. So we love to eat local food. Now, we normally go down to where we get this food from. JAK is an app, we'll link it down below, that you can have the service ordered and sent to you 24 hours. So like Macca's, KFC, and local food. Check this out. It is called Makabat, and if you haven't tasted it, you're missing out. It's a really thick pancake with chocolate and cheese. Yummy.
Hey girls. Last day here in Bali. There's Doobie and
I've got to go into the hotel constantly to check because I was outside in the sun, enjoying the sun, and I was editing the last vlog. An emergency buddy came up on my iPad saying it's gotta cool down. So this is what I had to do. Dun, 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 dun. iPad. Oh, yeah, it's alright now. Yay! That's a life hack for you. So if it gets hot, iPad, iPhone or anything like that, put it in the fridge for about maybe a minute or two and you'll be all good.
So guys, I'm wearing my Gucci size that I got yesterday, and I'm wearing the top which is from Oklahoma, and it's Westbrook, number 0. Yeah.
Love those shoes.
Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, JJ Productions proudly brings to you Jam More Jam. So, sometimes I think about, well,
Power Beach Walk again, seeing Slenderman. Shortcut, shortcut.
Always looking for a shortcut. So we come through the bookshop, which is connected to the other side. Saves you about maybe 30 seconds.
So guys, if you ever come to Bali and come to Beach Walk inside the movies, they're only $4, and in Australia they're $10.50.
empty screen is here. Green empty screen is here. Do you just want to go here?
Pak, ini ojek versiku.
Thanks so far.
It's pretty dumb, and I didn't get it.
Out of 5?
0.
0. Okay, ready to go.
This is my orange Dum Dum iced tea.
Dum Dum iced tea.
Ole iced tea, Ole Balea.
Now we're going to ice cream. Rolled up ice cream for Sapphire.
Morning glory. Huh?
Morning glory. Special today.
Yes, please.
And what are you getting?
Can I please have the 50 shades of red?
Did you say fish eggs?
Anything else, guys?
No, no, no. Put Tinania vlogs.
Really?
Yeah, do it. Yay! You should put an order in as Tinania vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, people! XOXO ice cream here in Beach Walk.
He's on the deep road, blowing up, smoking haze, for days.
So this is what the girls got. Absolutely beautiful. We're about to go to dinner. The driver's here. We're going to the Brazilian.
I'm not.
So we're all in the Vinga bus, waiting for bees to come. The girls have hopped on to the back of the bus.
Oh my god.
Hi, we're on the back of the KUTA Townhouses, going to our favourite eating place. We're very hungry. Alright, love you,
Guys, me and Diamond are in the back now.
Yes, alright.
Yeah, we're at the back. Yeah, we're at the back. See, we're at the back of the thing and we're driving backwards. Hello. And my skirt's flying off. But yeah, oh my. We always go on the back of this, but we get really embarrassed because like they look at us while we're driving and it's like,
Bye, Dindo!
like bye. Okay, that was the door and yeah. We're going now and it's like really embarrassing already. I'm scared.
Look at us, guys! We are on the Venga bus going to
KUTA Townhouses!
Woohoo!
yeah, they have a Brazilian restaurant there. So we're in a sort of like truck thing that's open for our family that have come for Lani's birthday. Know what it's like? It's quite fun. Cheers, guys! Saying hello to everyone, like she's the queen of Bali. Coming up to the party scene of Legion, where all the nightclubs are. If you're in Bali, come down to Legion Street. There's a club every second door.
This is Steve and I's favourite club. Pachi Sepa. It's the Bounty. Patties. Yeah. There's the engine room. No, that's not it. Surfer Girl.
Lexi. Starts at around
10.
about 10 o'clock. The nightclubs start going off. So if you're in the nightclub scene, come down to Legion Street. Shortcut. Go close home to the shops. Crazy, they know how to drive on their roads. This is Andy's tattoo store. I don't think it's open. Yeah, it's open.
Andy!
It's Andy. The massage parlor that we always used to come to.
You're the best.
And there's KUTA Townhouses. It's busy. Thank you, bro. How are you? Good, long time, huh? We're staying in KUTA. This is the Brazilian Aussie. Who's hungry? We're starving.
I'm not
She's starving. When was your last meal? Breakfast.
There's a salad thing over there. I never go there. I just wait till I always go there.
Yeah, Diana loves the pasta salad. She always goes there. Our last dinner, we're off back home tomorrow and we'll be back home in 4 weeks. Amen. Forget the Lord. Always thank you for the food. Thank you. When you come here, there's a salad bar over there. I'll show you in a second. Where you can get as much salad as you want to complement to the beef and chicken and pork that comes around.
Got my salad.
What did you give me?
So I got roast potato and pasta salad.
So salad bars for the beef? Come over here. Potato salad. Pasta salad and fried and all the kids.
Dad, you're gonna be so cool.
Yay! Sapphire eats is chicken and the invisible salads. Yummy pineapple. KBs, how are you feeling after the feed?
Oh my god, I'm full as a ball. Why are you so extra hot?
Because you can't hear you.
Oh, I'm full as a ball, but thank you. Our last dinner here in Bali.
Diamond's in a food coma. Sapphire is coma too. And I'm ready to moil.
Today is our last day in Bali, and before we leave Bali, we want to give you a couple of shout outs. So the first shout out to cousins that are currently in Perth, which is Brooklyn, thank you, Khalees, Detroit, and Tara. Also a big shout out to our Sydney family for subscribing to us, like Latoya, Auntie Beauty, Esther and Lainey, Jacinta, and many other people. Faye, thank you for subscribing, and we would like to thank all of our supporters.